Hello,
Hello, hello. How are
can you
you?
hear me?
Yes, I can. I can hear
Oh,
you
good.
well. Can you hear me?
Okay, perfect. Yes, I had trouble with
Awesome.
my other student. My name is Veru. I'm from Canada. What about you?
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Verio. I'm Richard, and I'm calling you from Brazil,
Hi.
especially from the state of São Paulo.
Hi, nice to meet you, Richard.
It's nice to meet you too. You told me you are from Canada, aren't you?
Yes, I'm from Vancouver.
Awesome. I'd love to go to Vancouver. It's a dream
Yeah?
of mine. Yeah, it's
Okay.
beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, very beautiful. I think it's one of the most beautiful cities in the world.
Awesome.
I think so.
Great. And is it the biggest, is the most famous city in Canada?
Yes, there's also Toronto, but that's on the
Toronto,
East
yeah.
Coast.
Uh,
That's on the
wh-
East Coast
which one is
and
better in your opinion, Vancouver or Toronto?
Vancouver. Vancouver.
Yeah, you need to defend your where you live,
I
right? Awesome.
think because we have more nature and everything like that, and a city. So I don't know. I think it's better. But
Awesome. And I saw your video, your
oh, okay.
introduction, and I liked the way you exposed yourself. You were like, I'm new at it. For example, on Cambly, I haven't ever taught English online, and that's great because especially I've been recording videos on YouTube and in English in order
Oh,
to motivate myself, in order to speak more in English.
oh, okay.
And I also speak here on Cambly, lots of time. Love it. I like it a lot. So we need to push ourselves in order to do different things. I liked your video.
Oh, thanks a lot. I don't even remember what I said. Well, that was like I think in June.
In
In
June.
June.
Mm,
So now I'm an expert. No.
3 months ago. Yeah. So yeah, we've been here on Cambly 3 months already.
Yeah, since June.
Awesome. Really,
So
really
June, July,
great.
August. Yeah. Yep.
What?
Time goes by fast.
That's great. What has this experience been like here?
Oh, it's been really great, actually. At first, well, I'm a teacher, um, but I teach elementary school. So I've always
Elementary.
taught, of course, in a regular classroom, a traditional classroom. And then in March, of course, everything changed and I started teaching the little kids online. So that was difficult.
Um,
I almost wanted to quit and because I just don't like technology.
really, you don't?
I'm not
Why?
a, I, I just
It's so
don't,
useful nowadays.
I know it's, I guess, yeah, it's useful, but I think I'm more of um, I like to talk with people
Old-fashioned,
and do
as you.
things. Yeah, old fashioned. Yeah, so old
Uh,
fashioned. But little by little, like you said, I kind of pushed myself to change and adapt. So here I am
awesome, really great. What do you like to do, for fun?
for fun.
Yeah.
Right now, I walk every day. I make it a point to walk because for the past few months I didn't go out and do much exercise because I was just
Mm,
working online.
I
And
see.
then about 2 weeks ago, I did a 10-kilometer walk in one day. And I was just,
Great.
yeah, it was because I was taking my kids to school and back and school and back and school and back. So by the end of the day, I was just like dead. So I said, no, 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 I have to get back into shape. So
I
I
see.
started doing that, but only
Great.
4 kilometers now.
Great. It's
And
great.
you?
It's so healthy. In my
Yeah.
case, I've been spending most of my time on my English.
Okay.
Yes, I'd like to speak English really well. So in order to accomplish it, I need to study every day, take a step, uh, every day, day by day study and take step by step in order to build up my vocabulary. So every day I learn a new word
Oh, good.
and it's great. I've been, improving my abilities a little bit, and it's great. We need to be patient.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not so patient, unfortunately, but
No.
to learn a language, it's not that easy, and it takes a lot of time. it a lot of people, a lot of courses, especially on YouTube.
Yeah.
They tell you, oh, you can learn English in only 6 months, in three
Mm,
months. No, it's not possible. It takes a lot of time because there are a lot of words that we need to know in order
yeah,
to
you're
be
right.
fluent, in order to make all kinds of sentences. So yeah, it
Yeah,
takes time,
that's
but I
right.
love it. I like it.
Good.
I was reading the news before calling you, and
Okay.
it's great.
And what did you read?
Today I read about a bodyguard.
Hmm.
He forgot his gun on a plane. Yeah, and he got fired
Oh
because
my
of
God.
that.
And
Exactly.
what country?
He was uh, accompanying a person, to the United States. This person, I don't know, this person was a foreign ministry,
Mm-hmm.
and this bodyguard was accompanying him. And unfortunately, he was, preparing the tickets, the passport, and everything, and he left the gun on the seat.
Oh my
And
God.
he walked off the airplane, and yeah, and a cleaner was, sweeping it, and he found the gun, and he called the police, and they figured that it was his, and he got fired. And what else?
Was he
I
like new on the job or was he an old guy or?
know the article didn't say anything about that.
Okay.
But and another thing that I read, for
Hmm.
example, I read about a few expressions in English. For example, don't make. Let me tell you one. Don't make a store in a teacup.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you are too concerned about something and it's not that bad,
Ah,
oh, don't make a star in a teacup.
I haven't heard that one in years.
You haven't?
Uh,
It's not
but
used
w-
nowadays. I can.
well, it no, but maybe other people use it, but I haven't heard it in a long time. But yeah, it's a common one.
What would you say? For example, if I am, scared, if I am, worried about something, and you take it easy. Oh, take it easy.
Yeah,
Use it.
something like that. Probably don't worry, take it easy. Like I usually speak like that. I don't speak in idioms too much, but but yeah, or if I usually say you're making a mountain out of a molehill.
Really?
Do you
Could
know
you
that one?
write? Could you type
Like
that,
that means
please?
you're exaggerating. Yeah. Yeah, your English is really good.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
speak very well. You have a good accent
Thank
and good
you.
pronunciation. It was nice to
Thank
talk to
you.
you today.
It was nice talking
It
to
was
you.
nice to
Take
meet you.
care, okay?
Okay,
Have a great week. It's nice
thanks.
meeting you.